This is John here, just taking a look at my brand new 850 T5R in blazing yellow. Picked it up for 500 bones because it had a seized engine. Everything else is mint, perfect. So we tried to get it running and it was kind of seized, the starter wouldn't turn it. So we took the plugs out and jumped it and then cranked it again, and it eventually spun and spun and spun and sounded great. So we put the plugs back in, and after a minute of cranking it eventually started up, and it sounds like this. What do you think? It runs great. 500 bucks. Alright, first test drive of the T5R with a seized engine, and all we did was get it running.
Don't want to see any rods.
Oh, it feels kind of low on power, but it's going. I can hear a little bit quiet now. We're at $2,000 going 30 miles an hour.